And you say I exaggerate. I don't think so, not now. I go to sleep next to that every single night. Every night. And you wonder why I kick you in the legs. Shut the blooming heck up. This could go on all night, so I'm going to say goodbye now.